So if you're looking for another idea of how not to spend money in Kuala Lumpur, there are a number of large parks here in the city, including the KLCC Park, which is right behind Petronas Towers. And that's the one we're going to look at today. Welcome to Retire to Roam. I'm LJ.
I'm Russell. We're retired, traveling full-time.
On a budget and loving every minute of it. Apparently, this is a photo spot. Let me get your photo, Russ. Look at you.
Right here?
Yeah, look at you on video. Okay. The Kuala Lumpur City Centre Park, also known as the KLCC Park, is located just behind Petronas Towers. It's a great place for an Instagram photo or a respite from the busy city center. The best part about the park is it is absolutely free, and it's open every day from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. If you know us, we're always looking for a great place to find that doesn't cost us anything, and this definitely fit the bill. If you notice, this particular day, there's a lot of the area that was barricaded off. We think that has to do with the conference that was going on here in town, and there were a number of world leaders in the area, so many of the parks and city streets had been barricaded, we think, due to that reason. We thought it was interesting that the park actually has over 1,900 different trees, including many types of palm trees. Fortunately, there are a number of areas that you can grab a bench, have a seat, and take a rest. Very nice, refreshing area here behind the towers.
It's really coolness coming off that water. There's a big water fountain over there.
Yeah. So we'll go that way toward the mall here in a moment, but looks like you can just kind of wade out in the water there, actually walk across it or sit in it for kids. Got a really nice sculpture over here on this side, kind of a little lagoon area that has a whale and looks like two dolphins maybe.
Water.
think what's impressive for me is this gigantic screen here that's rotating here in the central. I guess this is like the atrium's the word I'm looking for. So it kind of rotates around, which is very interesting. This is probably about the size of TV I would need in a house, so I could actually see the TV at this point in my life.
Hay là ví dụ có anh cha thì sao?
Ba đứa ra lại đây nào.
So we're going to cut this one short and just say that if you found anything interesting or are enjoying our videos, don't forget to please hit that like and subscribe button. It's free and we really do appreciate it. Thanks for taking this walk with us through the KLCC Park today. Anything?
No, it's hot.
It's hot. It is a good area to cool off, especially if you have kids.
Yeah.
A lot of shade trees if you wanted to sit and just have a picnic.
Yeah,
or
this is a very kid-friendly park.
Yeah. And with that being said, I guess we'll just say we hope you all have a blessed day, and as always, safe travels.